Welcome everyone to the DNotes channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can accept DNotes digital currency at your online store within your WordPress website by using the very popular WooCommerce payment platform. Now, WooCommerce is one of the more popular e-commerce solutions. It has more than 26 million downloads and over 4 million active installations. The WooCommerce platform is also used by approximately 30% of all online stores around the world. So this now means that merchants can accept payment in DNotes without losing any of the proceeds in transaction fees. So to install the software from within your WordPress website, go to the left-hand panel where it says Plugins and click Add New. This will bring up a list of plugins. Go to the search bar, type DNotes and press Enter. Then the DNotes Pay software will come up. Click Install Now, and then afterwards click Activate. And then you're all done. If you want to change the settings for the DNotes Pay software, you can go to WooCommerce and then click Settings. Then click Payments at the top. And then go down to DNotes Pay. From within this tab, you can enable or disable the DNotes Gateway, change the title, description, and addresses that you receive DNotes at, and change other settings like the confirmation times and payment tolerance. Your customers will now be able to purchase products at your website using DNotes with the same look and feel that they're already accustomed to. They can come down to the bottom and click Proceed to Checkout. Then fill in all of the details required. And then we see here we have one digital apple that we're being charged 1 cent for. We select DNotes Pay and click Pay with DNotes. We are then presented with the payment information. We need to send this many DNotes to this DNotes address using this invoice number. We can easily copy these numbers across to our DNotes wallet by clicking the blue Click to Copy buttons and then pasting the information into the fields within the wallet. Once this is complete, press Send. Then confirm and type in your password. The wallet will then inform you that you've sent a transaction. Then click the blue Click Here Once Paid button. This will show us the details of our order. You will then receive an email confirming your order, and a separate email that confirms that the payment has been received. And that completes our tutorial on how to install and use the DNotes Pay WooCommerce plugin. We will be releasing more DNotes Pay updates and other software that makes cryptocurrency useful for online business. So be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and visit our website at www.dnotescoin.com.